Good morning. Today on Customer States What? Please perform oil change and clear my Christmas tree of lights. Well, let's start this thing up. Not to mention this car got a little wiggle in it and it sounds like there's an animal trying to get out. Let's see the lights. Alright, they got a couple. Ooh, this thing is running rough. Now let's take it up top. So now that we took it up top, it sounds even better under here. And it looks even worse. Oof. Oof. Oh, they got a new manifold pipe of some sort right there. Alright. This car sounds like caca from the front all the way to the back. We got a pissing shock here, but that's the least of their worries. They got a pissing axle over here, pissing diff, pissing brand new exhaust sleeve, and whatever that knock is, it don't sound good. But you know what? Just change the oil, clear the check engine light, clear all the lights, set the tire pressures, and ignore everything else. Well, they got a freaking tooth. Did somebody chew on that? Alright. Don't forget, guys, like, subscribe, and hit that bell notification for further content. Peace.